Are you worried that your sewer hose might fall out of your RV bumper tube, or you want to get rid of those flimsy plastic bumper end caps and replace them with something a little stronger and more reliable? Then you need to check out RecPro's RV bumper end caps. These products are end caps for your RV bumper tube, which keeps your sewer hose safe and secure while you're traveling, and also helps prevent large debris from getting inside the bumper tube. They feature an anti-drop pin design that keeps the pin and the door secure while you're traveling without risk of the pin dropping or falling out or coming loose. The pin itself is also chained to the steel end cap, so there's no risk of it becoming lost or misplaced. And to show off the anti-drop pin, simply closes like that. It's not coming out. Installing these end caps is very simple. All you need to do is loosen this screw here. It's a Phillips head screw with a small nylon nut on the end. Then you slip this over your bumper end tube. They are designed to fit over any standard 4-inch square bumper end tube. Then you tighten down the nut, and that's it. That's all there is to installing it. It's very quick and very simple. These bumper end caps are built out of solid steel metal, so they're far more sturdy and durable than your typical plastic ones. The steel is also given a black powder coating, which helps protect it from rust and adverse outdoor elements such as UV light, rain, snow, ice, etc. The measurements for these bumper end caps are up on screen if you want to take a quick look. As a special note, these end caps are sold as a pair, so you get 2 end caps with one purchase, one for each side of your bumper tube. And they're also available in 4 different designs. As you see, we have the Love design, the Bigfoot design, which is the one I like, the Solid design, and the Honeycomb design. If you like this product and you want to know more about it, go ahead and click the link in the description below. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.